Right, I'm going to talk about how to fashion a banana pad for the arch. So the end result is going to look something like this, except it would be secured to the foot. So to do a banana pad for the arch, you're going to mark 3 landmarks. The 3 landmarks include the medial calcaneal tubercle. It's going to be palpated right here. The navicular tuberosity should be approximately here. And the first metatarsal phalangeal joint here. So there are 3 landmarks. The other, less distinct landmark is about halfway across the plantar side of the foot. So approximately there. You don't actually have to write on your patients to do this, but for visualization. So in some athletic training facilities, you'll have pre-cut pads to make a banana pad for arch support. For example, this is the pre-cut felt pad, so they are felt, not foam, pads that we have in the Whitworth Athletic Training Room. I've taken a pre-cut pad and cut it down to the size of those landmarks. Specifically, look at those landmarks again. You want your pad to be cut in almost like a banana shape. That's the name, banana pad. And it is going to have the tallest point, the most proximal point in the middle, is going to go no farther than that mark on your navicular tuberosity. One mark is going to go to the mark on your first metatarsal and your medial calcaneal tubercle, and the pad should not go farther than halfway across the plantar side of the foot. This pad's purpose is to support the arch. The pad can be placed like this. They're normally adhesive on the back side, so you would adhere it to the skin and then wrap it on with tape wrap or power flex. You can also adhere this pad to the sole of the person's shoe. In that case, you need to actually cut the pad as a mirror image, because the pad then is going to be placed in the sole of the shoe, and the pad would be placed, so if this were the top part, that would need to go to the middle side. You'd have to find the precise positioning of their arch in their shoe, so you'd have to have them put their foot in it, and you would adhere the pad to the shoe. That shoe and pad together should last probably for at least a week. And in that case, then you don't have to re-tape this person every day. You would just replace the pad when it got too compressed or the stickiness wore out and it wasn't staying put in their shoe anymore. So this is a way to, banana pads are a way to support the medial longitudinal arch without having to do arch taping, which sometimes does not fit every situation. One technique that you are going to use on these felt pads is you are going to bevel the edges. So you can see here is a pad that is just prefabricated and it has a straight edge. Stepping on a straight edge like this on the bottom of your shoe, not going to be comfortable. So instead, what we did was we beveled the edge. So notice there on all the edges that are on the bottom of the foot, I've cut a portion so that this side is angled downwards so it doesn't go all at once. Beveling of the edges is going to make it more comfortable.